most common way to characterize a solid is to take its melting point. This can also be used to assess its purity. To take the melting point, you need to get the sample into a melting point capillary tube. The melting point capillary tube is open on one end and closed on the other. When you have your sample, you want to grind it up so it's a nice powder so that it goes into the melting point tube easily. You take the open end of the melting point tube and press it into the solid to add some material. You then can turn it over and tap it to try to push the sample down and pack the melting point tube. Or a more efficient way is to take a condenser from your drawer, place the flat end down, and bounce the capillary a couple times down the tube. Plus it's fun. So do this a couple times and you'll see you'll pack about 1 millimeter of material in the bottom of the tube. You can now place this in the melt temp apparatus to record its melting point. If, however, the solid sublimes easily, you may want to seal one end of the capillary. So to do that, you'd light a Bunsen burner. And getting a nice hot flame. Take the tip of your capillary and place it in the hottest part of the flame, which is the top of the blue cone, and roll it around till it gets nice and hot, and this will collapse the end. Keep rolling it around, place the tip, the end. You can see it'll burn red hot when it starts melting. Take it out and you can see that it's sealed. All right, now this is ready to place in the melt temp apparatus to record the melting point range.